Hi besties, let's make kosua meko, boiled egg with some hot pepper. Whilst we are on the recipe, someone needs our help. Let's share the story and then help with our opinions. Okay, it should be in the comment section. I'm married to a Enugu man. My husband is comfortable. He has his car, but won't allow me to touch it. He can afford to buy me a car, but he has chosen not to. He's this traditional man that won't help a lady. He drops 100k monthly and that's all. That's not even why I'm here. I just want you to have an idea of how my home is. The reason why I'm here is I was in a keke with my children. I went to pick them from school. My son was waving a man in another car. They were just laughing and signaling each other. When I noticed, I looked out and laughed. Our keke was still loading. The next thing, the man came down and gave me a bunch of 500 naira I should use to pay transport. I smiled and refused. He said I should use them buy biscuits for my boy. I refused. He now paid keke and asked the keke to collect money, not to collect money from me. He begged for my number, that he loved my son and would like to communicate with him once in a while. I gave him my number because of how persistent he was. To cut the story short, he called and talked to my son for more than 30 minutes. My son handed the phone to me. He told me that he wants to buy my son a car. I should be driving him to school. I should discuss with my husband that he doesn't want anything from me. If my husband is not comfortable with him talking to my son through me, I should send my husband's phone number. He can be talking to my son through him, or he will buy my son a phone. He told me he has already sent 5.5 million to the car dealer. He should go there and then he will show us the choice of the car we want. But my husband refused. The funny thing is that I know my son. He likes admiring beautiful cars. That was exactly what he was doing, that the man thought he was admiring him, and that's how they became friends. My people, my dear, my husband does not agree, and he's a jealous man. I don't know what to do. Please, I need your advice. I'll be at the comment section. Your opinion will really help. Guys, let's help a sister. My name is Dr. Rosie. Subscribe, like for more stories like this. Bye.